Good morning, folks. My name is Chris Wenzler, product specialist here at Heritage Ford. Listen, this week's point of view video and virtual test drive is on this 2015 Chevrolet Equinox LT. This vehicle here is equipped with a 2.4 liter inline 4 liter engine, which produces 182 horsepower. The fuel efficiency on this vehicle is 22 in the city, 32 on the highway estimated. Really, it's a very, very nice, roomy ride. Another little piece of information you might like is it's an LT. It's not just your base model. It's got a lot of upgrades to it. We're going to jump inside here. I'll go over some of the interior features. This vehicle has remote start, heated seats, and the MyLink system. The MyLink system back in 2015 also has a hotspot for Wi-Fi. Now, folks, I'm going to go over a few more things as we take our virtual test drive. I hope you enjoy. Back in 2015, their standard warranty was 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper, and 5-year, 100,000 mile on your major components, which is your engine, transmission, and lubricated driveline. That's kind of an advantage back in 15 over a few of the other manufacturers, as they did have such a large powertrain warranty. Oops. A little remnant of snow that we had yesterday. A couple other noticeables about this vehicle is one of the features I really like, which is the digital gauge there. This vehicle's got 20,000 miles. There's plenty of life left on the warranty, and a lot of miles left on the engine. I'm going to take it down the straightaway a little bit, pick up a little bit of speed just so you can kind of feel the acceleration. A nice little driving car. Well, heading back into the home stretch. Folks, I hope you enjoyed just a couple of the knowledge nuggets that I shared with you and the virtual test drive. You guys, if you have a little bit of time, it's a beautiful day today, stop by. We can take a test drive for real and go over some options for you and really kind of let you see how here at Heritage Ford we're a little bit different than a lot of the other dealerships. Thank you all and have a great day.